If you want to learn how to change the background color in Prezi, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to update your presentation background in just a few moments so you can make your design look cleaner, more professional, and better matched to your content. If this video helps, please go ahead and hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, log into your Prezi account and open the presentation you want to edit. Once your presentation is open, take a look at the background area of the slide or canvas. Now right-click directly on the background. When the menu appears, click Change Background. This is the option that lets you modify the overall look of your presentation without changing the content on the slide. After you select that, a toolbar will pop up on the right side of the screen. In that toolbar, look for the fill color icon. This is usually the control you need for changing the background color. Click the fill color icon and you'll see a range of color options appear. Now simply choose the color you want for your background. You can pick a color that fits your brand, helps your text stand out, or gives your presentation a fresh new look. As soon as you choose the color, Prezi should apply it to the background right away so you can instantly preview how it looks. If the color feels too bold or too light, you can always go back and try another option until it looks just right. This is one of the easiest ways to customize a Prezi presentation and make it feel more polished. So just to recap, log into Prezi, open your presentation, right-click the background, select Change Background, then use the fill color icon on the right to choose your desired color. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.